Guys, may the force be with you. Today we're celebrating Earth Day, day early, and teaching children to appreciate our environment also means pausing to notice the flower buds or organizing a fun crafts.
You know I love a good craft.
We saw your boys earlier out there.
I know.
You do love a good craft. So our next guest is bringing in her parenting expertise to make sure our little ones stay grounded with some earthy activities. And of course, joining us back on New York Living is on-air parenting and lifestyle expert and the host of The Breakdown with Bethany, Bethany Braun-Silva. Also, we should mention Cover Girl, okay?
Well, yeah, the last time I was here, that was March. We're in April now.
We're moving on. All right, so Bethany, what's first? It's tomorrow.
Yeah.
The big day. You have some fun activities. We're going to start with things that we can do at home with the children.
Yeah, so I love a good scavenger hunt. This is like one of the
doesn't?
best ways to like get kids outside and, you know, active. And so what I brought today is actually something I found online, really super easy printable scavenger hunt.
Internet, man.
And what I love about this one is that it is not just things that they can find, but things that they can do. Ride a bike, practice recycling, you switch out low energy bulbs. My kids came home with low energy bulbs from school.
Okay,
so that was really, really cool. So then, you know, recycle, plastic, all of that. So it's a really great way to get them involved.
Fantastic. All right. How about reduce, reuse, recycle?
So we love this idea of like upcycling, right? Reduce, reuse, recycle. Of course, we have to make it a fun craft. That's my kids doing the scavenger hunt.
So
yeah,
cute.
Showing me a rock. But reduce, reuse, recycle. You might have crayons like laying all around the house, and if they're broken, you can reuse them. You can repurpose them by melting them down. So we love to do that. There's silicone molds. You can make a candle here. Melt them down. You need to put the oven on about 200, an oven-safe container, and it will melt. Add a wick, and you are good to go. That's
so you have actually done this.
Yes,
amazing.
I have done this. That is, you can get crayon molds on Etsy, and then you just pop it in the oven, and then you have like repurposed all the crayons sitting around your house.
Listen, better than them laying around the floor.
Right, exactly.
I love a candle as well. All right, next, the save water.
So this is a fun little experiment you can do at home just to teach kids about water waste, right, and their carbon footprint. So what I do is I'll put a bucket or a bowl under the sink while my kids are brushing their teeth and let the water run. And then they'll see how much water is being sort of just wasted there. I mean, I think we had to fill that up, that filled up twice or 3 times, and then they can see, like, it's really important to turn that faucet off while they're brushing their teeth, just to save water.
A little educational activity. I'm sure they were mind blown by that.
Yeah.
Okay, now some fun movies that we can watch.
Oh my gosh. Okay, do you remember Fern Gully? I mean,
yes.
Okay.
Oh, you just took me way back there.
I've taken you way back. But that's all about, you know, deforestation, saving the trees. Love that. The Lorax, Dr. Seuss, the Lorax, same thing. Really about, you know, saving the trees, the planet, all of that. There are some fun ways to incorporate that thanks to Netflix.
Love that guy. All right, we were talking about this earlier. We want to get the kids out of the apartment.
Oh, yes.
So what can we do around the city this weekend if we want to get outdoors? I think the weather's supposed to cooperate. So
all right. Well, you're our girl for the weather, so let us know. But this weekend is the annual Car Free NYC Day. I love this day.
Right.
100 streets across the city, all 5 boroughs are going to be car free.
Love it.
So you know, get outside, interact with your friends and neighbors. There'll be different plazas, different things to do. Some really famous ones are Broadway from East 17th to West 42nd.
Right.
So that's a good one.
Okay, and the parks, of course. It's My Park Day.
It's
What's
My
that
Park
about?
Day. That's actually next Saturday in Union Square. It's a great way for kids to learn all about, you know, saving the environment, eco-friendly activities while they're having fun. They can learn how to plant thanks to the Union Square Green Market. They can also, there's also face painting, murals, things like that.
Fun. Fun, fun, fun. All right, what's happening at Queens County Park?
All right, this is one of my favorite places in the city. I love Queens County Farm. And actually, tomorrow is the start of their Apple Blossom Festival. So it might be crowded, but definitely worth checking out. And of course, at Queens County Farm, you can always, you know, do sustainability activities like planting trees, mulching. You can even adopt a worm.
Adopt a worm? Yeah. For those of you who don't want to commit to a dog.
Exactly.
Okay.
So lots of fun, really, really fun activities out there.
Bethany Braun-Silva, thank you. Thank you always for giving us things to do with the children. Thank you for being here. Happy Earth Day.
Happy Earth Day.
You guys gonna get outside and enjoy?
Yeah, we might head to Queens County Farm. So if you guys are there, hit me up. Yep, we'll be there celebrating the carnival.
Fantastic. Thank you, doll.